In today's video, you'll learn how to cook a smoked pork rib stew. Bring the taste of Jamaica to your kitchen with this smoked pork rib stew. This recipe slow cooked to perfection with red kidney bean. This hearty stew is rich, smoky, and full of flavor. We are using tender smoked pork ribs, fresh herbs, and bold seasoning to deliver that authentic island comfort to your kitchen. And we're using smoked pork ribs, bit of carrot, fresh thyme, bit of onion, some celery, and some pimento berries, and also some homemade green season. We'll be using this, and to add a little bit of flavor also, or to enhance it, we're going to use just a touch of salt and pepper in this. I'm starting with some olive oil, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to sweat off all these herbs first, such as the onion and the garlic and the celery, just to catch your flavor right in from the start. And if you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm adding my pimento berries.
I'll be adding some green season to that. Next, put our smoked ribs in. I'll be adding some black bean to this. Whatever beans you have, go ahead and use it. Smell good already. Next, I'm going to add 1 kidney bean in this. I'll be adding some coconut cream. If you have fresh, go ahead and just use what you have. I'll be adding a spoon of all-purpose season. And remember to season to taste. Next, bit of black pepper and just a sizzle of Scotch bonnet. Now when you're cooking this, you put the amount of Scotch bonnet or pepper or chili, whatever you want to put in it. Next, I will add in some boiling water to this. And what I want the water to do is cover everything because I'm going to let it boil. Next up, a bit of parsley. I'm going to add some soy. This is optional. You don't have to put it in it. That's all personal preference. So we're going to cover this and let it cook or boil for probably about 15-20 minutes. Then we come back to re-season it again. What I'll be doing, I'm just adding some potato to this. All that is personal preference. So here I have some spinners make, and these it's just flour, salt, and water. Some people call it dumplings. So I'm going to roll up some and put it to it. So our stew is ready now. What I'll be doing now, I have some mixed peppers just to finish this off. Add a bit of color to it. Just add some mixed peppers. But this is ready now. Time to dish it out. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best smoked ribs and kidney pea stew. Look at that. If you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. So what I'm going to do, just finish it off with some fresh green parsley. That's optional anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.